Hello, I'm Allison Taylor, a graduating senior at the University of Advancing Technology, majoring in game programming. Today I'm here to talk to you about MSIP, Zombie Treasure Island. Zombie Treasure Island is a survival game that lets the player choose just how difficult they want it to be, by allowing them to modify variables not normally accessible to the player, so the player can play the game at a difficulty level that feels right for them. The objectives of Zombie Treasure Island are to allow players to play the game at a difficulty level that feels right for them, and to give the player more of a challenge, or allow them to play the game at an easier difficulty when they are struggling, so the player does not become frustrated by the game. The ultimate goal of Zombie Treasure Island is to allow players more control over how difficult the game is than that which is normally allowed in games. Zombie Treasure Island allows the player to select from an easy, normal, or hard difficulty preset, as well as set up to 3 of their own custom difficulty settings for each level. Zombie Treasure Island allows the player to modify variables they don't normally have access to. Each variable has a different base value for each level, and the difficulty settings allow the player to modify that base value by a percentage. This allows the player to play the game at a difficulty level that feels right for them. Zombie Treasure Island also has a shop for each level that allows the player to unlock farther difficulty settings than what is available at the start. At first, each level only allows the player to select a percentage for each variable that is between 75 and 125. Doubloons for spending in the shops are obtained from killing zombies. Now, let's move on to the demo of Zombie Treasure Island. So right here is the level select screen, and more options are added to this drop-down as the player completes levels in Zombie Treasure Island. Let's go ahead and create a custom preset. You can modify the zombie settings and the player settings, but only one set of sliders shows at a time. Well, I just got totally killed by zombies. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the shop. I currently don't have enough doubloons to buy anything, but if I did, I could purchase items here in order to make the game either easier or more difficult. Now let's talk a bit about how Zombie Treasure Island works. When a player clicks Save on the difficulty settings screen, the values of each slider is stored. This data gets loaded when the player selects that preset and is used to modify variables for that level. When an item is bought in the shop, the fact that it is bought and the amount it modifies a specific variable's min/max by is saved. The relevant information is then loaded when the player goes to the difficulty settings or the shop. Now, let's talk about how Zombie Treasure Island was evaluated. I created a Google survey to aid in the evaluation of Zombie Treasure Island. I gave the game to friends and family and asked that after playing the game, they fill out my survey. The survey was used to help me find bugs and adjust gameplay. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at that survey. As you can see here, I asked players several different questions about Zombie Treasure Island that helped let me know if there were any bugs or issues with the game, and also let me know how my players felt about the ways of modifying difficulty in Zombie Treasure Island. Thank you for watching. I am Allison Taylor, and this is my SIP, Zombie Treasure Island.